Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will see how you can create a great NFT website to sell your NFT and make thousands of dollars, and to convert this particular wireframe into this finished product. With this stated, you can have a world-class website and then can sell NFT. So there are a lot of tutorials which eventually tell you how to create an NFT, but there are not more tutorials which explains you how to sell it. Welcome to So here I'll just explain you what are the essential part on which you can sell an NFT and how to build trust in the entire user community and how to spread across so that your NFT will be trusted across and you will get more sellers or more bidders. In this homepage, I'll tell you the UX forefront and also a little bit of UI, also explaining you through the entire structure and how to build trustworthy brand so that they could bid more and get close to your NFT and eventually purchase your NFT, thus giving you great amount of profits. Okay, so here the first thing that we did is basically a video. What we did, so you can have a carousel of video of NFT, you can have a story related to the NFT. So in my case, I have written JD NFT and the Lost Great Alliance. So that will be your intro. So this is the first form in which you can introduce yourself. Also make sure that it is not completely done. So as you can see, the first word I have cut it and I have put a little bit of text to make sure that they know that there is scrolling area. Okay, overview, I have just said home, story, roadmap, team, FAQs, which is basically nothing but all the sections that I'll redirect them to, okay, eventually. And there is Twitter and there is Discord that I have put. You can put your all the handles which you have created for the NFT artwork to sell. Here I have given a good sense of description, which is the second fold. Then I have highlighted the first NFT that will break, when is it minting, what is the name of the NFT, what is the price, and so on. So here I have given a buy now again, or you can go to OpenSea and buy it. Okay, so there are multiple platforms that you can add, and you can press a buy now where you redirect them to that particular platform to buy. Like let's say if there is Binance NFTs or there is a lot of other NFT platforms that you can take them to get the buying area or to start bidding on that. Similarly, what we have done is we have a subscription based thing because people need to know what is going on in your NFT universe. So here I have created a story where you will have multiple NFTs that will be minted at particular time. So here I am creating a story. I am giving them multiple NFTs. I am giving them so Utopian Fantasy. This is one of the state that I have shown where the card swipes and gives you this information. So your Utopian Fantasy will be the one. There are other NFTs that will be created and you can sell it across kind of, or go to OpenSea and see the entire collection. Okay, so this is basically the origin story, which you can put a video or you can put a origin story of this particular NFT to make it sell faster or to make it sell further. Similarly, what I did is I have used roadmap and pre-launch giveaway that I'll give to community, and this I am showing the pathway of what exactly are the evolution and the immortal patch, and if I would roll out the 3D version and how I can provide more value to this particular set of NFTs. Okay, and how it can be eventually merged with meta universes and all that. So if you are just selling an NFT, you don't need to do this, or you can just take the path of what particular day your next NFT will be minted and when is the final minting NFT and so on. Also you can give quantities of NFT that you will mint eventually in the entire lifetime and so on. This is the team that I have given, a proper team kind of structure, which I have 4 leading people that I have put it, and eventually FAQ based on NFTs, because people will ask questions, people will have lot of questions, so you can give a question. You can also contact us kind of thing under the FAQ or news segment tab, contact us. So all this I have created a proper template first. So I have made sure that it is templatized in such a way and then I converted this entire wireframe into the final UI. Okay, and when we started the UI, we took a grid layout, which you can see everything is in grid, right? So all the things are in grid, either center or either it is in the middle grid or it is kept in a grid. Okay, so make sure that you follow the grid system uh, to easy developers work, or you can easily convert it into responsive layout and sell it via mobile as well. So make sure you do that, okay, one step at a time. So that is a very basic version. Now let me take you through some of the UI aspects that I used. So one of the UI aspect that we use is basically the Rubik font. That will be the base that we use. So as you can see, there is Rubik font. We have used another font in the body of it, which is basically Open Sans. So Rubik pairs very nicely with Open Sans. We have also made sure that we gave a little bit of a glossy effect. As you can see, this is basically nothing but a circle that we have given, and we have added particular attributes to it. So if you can see, we have added a object blur of 15, and we have given this drop shadow kind of thing. The similar we have used in the play button and so on. Yeah, just to have that hyper realistic kind of a futuristic kind of relevance, we have given that. So if you are minting an NFT which is ancient or which is basically towards tradition, then you can give the look and feel accordingly. But here we have some hyper realistic kind of futuristic NFTs, so we have used a little bit of glossy effect and so on. Okay, similarly what we have done is we have used the Rubik's, and see, as you can see, the entire body, the entire header is 38, which is kept constant across. So as you can see, 38, um, this is also 38, this is 38. So all the h1 tags that you have is always 38 that we have kept, which is a constant thing which you need to, right, always. We have kept us all caps font for the secondary h3 tag, which is basically 16 Open Sans, which we have throughout carried forward, and so on. So this is h2 that we have used for 25 Rubik. So all this needs to be defined and eventually taken into consideration throughout. Okay, if you do this minimal kind of things, your website will be completely clean. And one more tip that I need to like give you all is that please don't screw up on the copy. So always make sure that your copy is crisp and written very nicely, because that is a very big factor of people coming to your website. So you have a basic spell check or basic grammar check from Grammarly or any other software. Also you can give a redirection after, if the answers are pretty long, or you can make up bigger boxes, you can make scroll areas in this case, and also give some social proofs, like how we have a social media that we have given here. Okay, we have also given a copyright for some good trustworthy thing. So yeah, so that's about it. So this is the final version of the entire NFT. If you will make sure that you mint an NFT and then you put a website and eventually spread the entire thing across social media, you will definitely gain some great traction on your NFTs and biddings, and that will lead to some great amount of ether or some great amount of bitcoin to be collected from the entire platform, which will go to thousands of dollars and eventually will give your next NFT much more boost than the previous NFT. So the more you spread, the better it is. This tutorial will give you value and creates thousands of dollars in terms of cryptocurrencies for you. So please press the like button, do subscribe, and send us a comment of how did you like the entire thing, or do you want any other options or more such info. And be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.